last reaction I do for the night. This gonna be Teebone Border. You know what I'm saying? We know Teebone already. The last song we reacted from Teebone was with him on probably YG called Leader. And it's a dope ass song. You know what I'm saying? Doing numbers right now. They're doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? So this is the last track we're gonna do. This is this is Teebone. You know what I'm saying? This was requested by Judah. Chelsea Blue, big up yourself. One more, K-Lion Private Zest. Oh man. One more. Alright. Chelsea Blue, you know, just for you, man. Last one. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. K-Lion Private Zest, and then we're gonna be out. Alright. But yeah, Teebone Border. We're gonna check this one out. I swear dog I deal with today. You know what I'm saying? Teebone, no strings to the channel. Up and coming artist doing his thing. I believe he's also part of the Jamaican 6. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but Teebone, we'll jump right now, track real quick, and then we'll let the vibe much longer. If you're watching this right now, you're missing out on the live. You should have been here. The energy was lit and the vibes is crazy. But since you're here now, hit the like and subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And join the gang. Become part of the city sub goal right here on the screen. Yeah man. Yeah man, become part of that to help us reach the sub goal. But yeah man, I jump right now. This is Teebone Border. Let's get it.
Steady. I'm use for yada. Bankyard. That be used for yada. Yeah, I'm clean and I'm Gucci Prada. Get the boots with water. We no fuck man, the better move she bada that. The visa now run
straight when I dare that, you move.
We have to use the bada. Skull credit card, we use the water. My money think I'm out to do the water. Skull pan the line away.
Skull credit card that we use. My money stink carry do the water, yo. I like that.
Think me rub the voodoo water. Girl, I send me fly myself for Google Parker. Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa.
Man said, girl, I send me fly myself for Google Parker. Boom. Hey, easy now. I like the flow on this. This is crazy.
For Google Parker. Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa. She asked the kids, it's like she knew the starter. Send the food, go give me G's and I use the water. Just book a skull from Louisiana.
Yeah.
Me clean a fucker that I knew disaster. Cause can travel.
Man said, me clean a fucker that I knew disaster. Easy.
Bleach out white and black like Ghana. Black Madonna. 3, 4, 5, that's Cayman Island. Black that color.
Man said, bleach out white Ghana. Black Madonna. How are they black? Easy. That's a white I bleach out. Yeah, the black Madonna.
Cause can travel. Bleach out white and black like Ghana. Black Madonna. 3, 4, 5, that's Cayman Island. Black.
Man say, yo, hold on. Man say, bleach up weird.
3, 4, 5, that's Cayman Island. Black that color. Bad like Brad like Camanada. Crown faster from a chippy faster. The Gucci Prada. Yeah.
Crown fast, but find it chippy faster. Oh, I'm tuning easy now, man.
Boots with water. We no fuck, man. The better move she bada that. The visa now run, we have to use the bada. Skull credit card, we use the water.
Man say visa now run, we have to use the bada. Hey, hold on. Say be traveling illegally, Maggie. Oh, so the guy makes. Oh, okay.
My money think I'm out to do the water. Skull pan the line, why you think me rub the voodoo water? Girl, I send me fly myself.
Money think I must do the water. Yeah, me rub the line, why you think me. Hold on. I like that. Hold on.
Water skull pan the line, why you think me rub the voodoo water? Girl, I send me fly myself for Google Parker. Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa. Yeah.
Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa. What have to do, man?
Like Tados, Benja Brabos, pull up and pack up, ends them get up, 5th gen and Harkos.
I just a join live, hit the like and subscribe button. Will it over here, someone? I want to hit the like, share up the live, hit the subscribe button.
Girl, I say long my 31 days in August. Full of girl like a center film staff boss. Me man full of money would I feel an act.
I say they long like the 31 years in August. I want it. Hey.
Bang. Rich and Argos, the Gucci Prada. Get the boots with water. We no fuck man, the better move she bada that. The visa now run, we have to use the bada. Skull credit card, we use the water. My money think I'm out to do the water. Skull pan the line, why you think me rub the voodoo water? Girl, I
skull pan the line, why you think me rub the voodoo water?
I'm fly myself for Google Parker. Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa.
Chelsea, when the building, let me know if you in the building.
Hey, momentum.
Yeah man, Teebone, this is bad. This is a vibe, man. I want to Teebone. Yeah man.
I told them try, we won't get done. My money think, do the water, my skull clean, voodoo water. She said me fly, me say for Google Parker. My Gucci Prada, get the boots with water. We no fuck man, the better move she bought that. The visa now run, we have
Off Shibara, dead.
to use the bar. Skull cut cat, we use the water. My money think I'm out to do the water. Skull pan the line, where you think me rub the voodoo water. Girl, I say me fly, me say for Google Parker. Bang we bang the line just to remove the papa. Hey, Chanik.
Bang the line just to remove the papa. Hey.
You know, any semitanic, dog.
Jersey, big up yourself, man.
Don't my dog.
Man, I appreciate y'all, man. I love my subscribers, man. I love y'all. I love all you, man. Big up all on you, man. You know what I'm saying? That was a vibe by Teebone, you know what I'm saying? And we definitely, that was a vibe by Teebone. If y'all watching the rerun of that, hit the like and subscribe button. Go show the artists some love and support. Drop the comments in the comment section. Let me know what you want me to react to next. You're going to get your shout out and all that. You know we love our so the live lit. Try not to mix the next live, man. We always live every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then I'll be having pop-up lives. Every other time I'll be having some pop-up lives or doing the day live. So stay tuned for all that, man. But I appreciate the love and support. Y'all are the dopest. If you're just joining live, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like so the live can go out and share with other people. And we're doing this more often, so you definitely want to stay tuned and become part of the, become part of the gang and the energy. You see, we'll be chopping up in the comment section. People was in the chat and we've been vibing, man. It's been dope. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. But I think